To keep up with me and see what I'm doing, follow me on Twitter at HuluYouTube and on Instagram at HuluYouTube. Also, it would really help if you guys could click that red subscribe button and the bell notification icon. That's it. I'll see you guys in the video. Now, something that happens to everybody when they buy a new computer is they get amazed by the speed of it. After about a month, people start to worry because their computers are slowing down. Well, actually, you're kind of hurting your computer by keeping unnecessary files and backing up your files by not deleting some that you don't use. One thing a lot of people don't do is delete games and big files that they don't use. Now, here's more things you can do, like file-wise, that can keep you running top-notch speed. What you want to do is you want to go to your files folder and just click disk cleanup. Check everything here and click OK. Delete files. Now, this doesn't hurt your computer at all. All it does is it deletes unnecessary files. You can even Google it. It does not hurt your computer. Some people that never do this and have had their computer for years, the bar is filled. This could take days, weeks, seconds. It can take a while for some people. So another thing people really just don't do overall is they don't turn off their super fetch. Now, what super fetch does is it kind of preloads everything before you even use it, and that is so unnecessary because all you have to do is open it up for you, and it's already going to start loading. How to turn this off? What you do is you do Windows R, and you type in services.msc, and it'll bring you to the services tab. You just want to scroll down to the S section. You want to find super fetch. What you want to do is you want to right click, go to properties, startup type, disabled. Now, all you have to do is right click on your battery, go to power options, create a power plan, put it to high performance, name it whatever you want, click next. There is another thing you should keep on top of every day, temp files. What you want to do is you want to press Windows plus R, %sign temp, %sign, and click OK. After, it'll bring you to a folder with a whole bunch of files in it. Just hit and shift delete. The shift deleting skips all of recycling bins so you can't recover them. Some things will stay here. Don't get worried if it's like just a few, but if it's a lot, then what you want to do is you want to restart your computer, and right away you want to delete your temp files because that means all of those are in use. After that, you can run your computer freely, you can game whatever you want. Some computers are just slow naturally. Hope this video helped. If it did, like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video. Also, go subscribe to my main channel. Should be in a card somewhere in this video, and it should be in the featured channels. I'll see you guys later.